Hey there! Today we're going to talk about a common problem that many people face when working with computers. The problem is when you accidentally delete an important file or document, and you can't seem to find it anywhere on your computer. It can be really frustrating, especially if you need that file for work or school. But worry not, because there is a simple solution to this problem that can help you recover your deleted files. The solution to this problem is using a data recovery software. This type of software is designed to scan your computer and recover any files that have been deleted, even if they have been emptied from the recycle bin. By using a data recovery software, you can easily restore your deleted files and have them back in no time. It's a simple and effective solution that can save you a lot of time and frustration. Data recovery software works by scanning your computer's hard drive for traces of the deleted files. Even if the files have been overwritten, the software can often still recover them. It's like having a digital detective that can help you find and restore your lost files. So next time you accidentally delete an important document, don't panic. Just use a data recovery software and let it work its magic. In summary, accidentally deleting important files can be a real headache, but with the right tools, you can easily recover them. Data recovery software is a simple and effective solution to this problem, allowing you to restore your deleted files with just a few clicks. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, with the right tools, no file is ever truly lost.